Hello, this video recording is on how to graph a parabola without using our calculator. It's actually easier without the calculator. Hopefully you noticed yesterday that all of the graphs that we graphed looked exactly the same. Exactly the same. So let's start with the easiest parabola in the world to graph. Y equals x squared. And without making a table of values, I'm going to make one, but we should be able to do it in our head. If x is 0, x squared is 0 squared equals 0. So that's this point right here. If x is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, so y is 1. If x is 2, 2 squared is 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if x is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. So 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm off my graph, but for purposes of what we're doing right here, it doesn't matter. And then when x is negative 1, negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. We're over here. You should have noticed this symmetry yesterday on each graph. When x is negative 2, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. I'm right there. Again, the symmetry. And x is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. I'm right here. And again, we have our symmetry. And then we connect the dots. And our graph looks like that. All right? Each graph is exactly the same. All right? Every graph has the same shape, and we'll talk about it later, as long as this leading coefficient is the same. So now, let's graph something else, keeping this in mind. All right, our new graph that we want, our new equation is y equals x minus 3 quantity squared plus 2. Remember, the vertex, well, I don't think I've said that yet, but the vertex form is y equals x minus h squared plus k. This is the vertex form, all right? Vertex form. So if we have a minus 3, for instance, the x-coordinate of our vertex is 3. The y-coordinate is whatever this is. So when we look at this, my x-coordinate of my vertex is 3, and my y-coordinate is 2. So now I'm going to locate that vertex. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and I'm going to put a dot right there. Now, starting here, just pretend this is 0, 0. If x is 1, I go over 1. 1 times 1 is 1, and I put a dot here. If I go over from my vertex 2, 2 times 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put a dot here. If I go over one more, 1, 2, 3, then I would go up 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm off my graph, so I'm not going to worry about it. I connect my dots. That was horrible. We'll try that again. Do your best to make it a nice, smooth curve. looking like that. That's all there is to it. Let's look at one more. And I'm going to now erase this stuff. Our new equation is y equals negative quantity x plus 4 squared, quantity squared, plus 3. Now, the vertex form, remember, I erased it, is y equals x minus h squared plus k. It's minus h, so if this is a positive number, my vertex would be negative 4, but it's always whatever the sign is of this number. Erase this from last time. And now we're going to graph. We go to negative 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then when x is 1, 1 squared is 1, so I go down 1. We're symmetric. When x is 2, 1, 2, I go down 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 squared is 4. Again, we're symmetric. And when x is 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 squared is 9, I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I have my graph. It's supposed to be a smooth curve. Like this. Like this. And we're done. That's all there is to graphing a parabola when we're in the vertex form. If we're not in the vertex form, there's a lot more work involved. All right, I hope this makes sense. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.